We're at Facial Aesthetics today at the Rose Medical Center, and they are the official sponsor for the Bring Your Sexy Back contest that we're having, and you're going to make our winners beautiful.
We are.
They're going to be fabulous.
We look forward to it.
We are so glad to have you guys on board. You have a beautiful facility here, and this is Pamela Hill. She is the owner, founder, and she's also a nurse, and you still do a lot of the injectables. You still work with patients.
I do. It's the best way to know what our patients want, and also see what's going on in my business.
Yeah, there's no better way, right?
Right.
All right, today we're going to be talking Botox and fillers.
So we're going to make a little numb spot right out here.
Patty is trying out a filler treatment today for her eye area. She's never done it before and is excited to see the results. She just did the injectable in one eye. She did the Restylane, the filler, and I've never seen that done. Tell me a little bit about the Restylane, Pam.
Well, Restylane is a hyaluronic acid filler, and we typically use that underneath the eye. We like it there because it sticks and holds exactly where we put it.
What's it going to do for her?
Well, especially in the tear trough area or that circle underneath the eye, it'll lift that up and take the darkness away and take that ring underneath the eye away.
When is she going to see results?
She'll see results right away.
Really?
Yes.
So she leaves feeling beautiful.
Absolutely.
You gotta love that. So who is the perfect candidate for something like this?
Well, anyone who has a ring underneath the eye or has some discoloration underneath of the eye, it works beautifully on those types of people.
And I was noticing you are so gentle. You are a nurse after all. So gentle, and people are so worried about that when they come in with the injectables.
They are. They're worried about several things. They're worried about pain, they're worried about price, and they're worried about bruising and swelling. And so we try to allay all of those fears, letting them know that none of that is really worrisome.
And real quick, you're a nurse. What is the benefit to that?
Right. Nurses do all of the injections at Facial Aesthetics, and the fact of the matter is that we're trained to do shots, and we really connect with our patients woman to woman.
She really trusts you, I can feel it.
I'm definitely going through this crisis of feeling like the middle-aged older woman.
It's amazing what a filler like Juvederm can do instantly to your face.
Instantly.
Oh my goodness, Linnea here, you just finished this side of her face and I'm already seeing results.
That's the beauty of filler.
Yeah, right, it's right there.
Right.
What does it do?
So it's a volumizer. So as we age, we start losing volume, and so we can put it back in and stimulate your own collagen with a vast array of our choices for fillers.
Right.
Today we use Juvederm, which is made from hyaluronic acid, which is a substance natural to us, and you see instant results. You could potentially, whenever there's injection, have some swelling, and then a potential for bruising.
But that's temporary.
Temporary.
And then
Yes.
over time, over even a week's period of time, you really see the results.
It settles in, and it's highly addicting.
You want to look beautiful. How's it different than Botox? Botox does something completely different.
It is. It's more working on the muscles, and so typically Botox is from this area up, and fillers this area down.
Oh, gotcha.
So fillers are volumizing.
So you did this area, what's it called?
The nasolabial area.
Okay. All right. And I saw that she was doing a little ice before. Afterwards, is there something that they need to do, some type of protocol they need to follow?
Icing is good as well. And then to avoid any strenuous activity the rest of the day. And
that's not hard.
No, it's like the perfect excuse, right?
And she was telling me earlier, who's the perfect candidate for this? I believe she is. She was saying she's looking in the mirror, she's seeing things that aren't quite like they used to be.
Yes. You just want to soften things. You still want to look like you.
Yeah.
But just a softer version.
More confidence, just felt better about myself.
I hate my frown lines on my face, and it's all I look at whenever I look in the mirror.
And you just did Botox here on Anna. Anna's only 29. Yes. So she doesn't have a lot of wrinkles on her face yet, but she wasn't happy with her forehead.
Right.
How young can you start to do Botox?
Well, you know, patients are really becoming more in tune with how things will be looking in the future, how they want to take care of their skin in general, and we take so good care of our skin and our hair and we want to be on track as well with how can we fight the wrinkles now, as opposed to waiting 10, 20 years down the road and then trying to do a different modality at that point.
Yeah.
And now we know that we can really use Botox as a preventative measure to help slightly weaken that area, so that if we're not using that muscle as strongly day in and day out, it helps soften the lines over time, and they'll have a nice smooth look.
When will she see the results?
The treatment we did today, she'll start noticing a result at about 3 or 4 days from now. Usually at about a week, patients can really appreciate that result. And if patients will keep up with it, you know, see us 3 to 4 times a year, they can really get the best benefit from it.
So Botox can last how long?
Botox can last about 4 months. Some patients will get a little longer, some a little less, but 4 months is about what we see.
That's a great investment in the future, wouldn't you say, Anna?
Absolutely.
You're going to be looking hot in about a week.
And having a better presence, maybe about yourself, putting your best face forward, if you will.
Facial Aesthetics is located in the Rose Medical Center, a one-stop shop for all your beauty needs. Your fountain of youth is waiting, so book an appointment today. And if you do call and book your appointment today, Facial Aesthetics will give you an amazing deal on Botox. Buy 20 or more units of Botox and you'll get an additional 10 units free. They also have an amazing deal on their HydraFacial that instantly refreshes and hydrates your skin. You'll get $50 off the HydraFacial and pay just $99. But you have to call today and mention Colorado's Best. It's Facial Aesthetics. It's 303-377-2868, and you can get them online at facialaestheticsinc.com. Coming up.